What's up guys, Ackeem still here. Now in this video we're going to do the unboxing and the setup of this Yaheetech Canopy 10x10 as you can see right here. Alright, so we're going to unboxing now, show you guys what's inside. So this is the 10 piece of the cover right here. Inside. So we have some strap inside it. We have some bit of hook right here. We've got some user manual that you guys can go through if you want to set it up. And this is another section right here, another cover. And this is the 10 right here. This one is the white color. You guys can see. Right here. Alright, so this is the frame of the tent right here, as you can see. So we're just going to let it out now, and we're going to find which section right here is the top. So as you can see, this is 10x10, and we are going to link it like this. As you can see guys, it's very wide. Section right here. Alright guys, so basically, when we are putting our top right now, you have to ensure that you're not length it out as further enough that we can put it up on. As you can see, we put it to a minimal amount of length, and we're going to strap it up right now. Guys, thing I want to show you just before you length out your tent right here, ensure that this part right here on the edge, make sure that there's a little tape right here. You can tape this on to the edge right here. Ensure that it fits perfectly before we actually length it out. As you can see, the edge right here. This guys, so we're gonna put this up right here. So ensure that all this part goes up to the top. And we're gonna clamp it inside right here. The rear click. As you can see, this one is perfect. So we're gonna clamp all these four to the sides right around. Alright guys, so just before we put up the top, we are going to install these straps, as you can see right around on the four edges. And also these straps in the ceiling right here, you can just put them together like this. Make sure that they well strap up, that any breeze don't blow it off. You can see right here, you can strap these up as well. So we have it well strap up guys. So what you're going to do now is you're going to extend our foot, these foot right here, extend them out by pressing this red button right here that can basically extend out. This can go higher guys if you want. This is just the first part of the click. So if you want higher, we can raise it higher. You can see. So I like how this side you have some bit of strap go down. Very neat. You can see right here. Are you higher?
Higher suffer.
This in the ground. So when I back pin panic surface in the bowl.
Yeah, make it go a little bit higher. Oh, I'll start with the nicer. Third one, look at it.
As you can see guys, now the top section of the tent is now complete. As you can see right here inside, looking pretty neat, looking lovely. As you can see right here guys, right around the tent. What I'm going to do right now is to install these side section right here. So we're going to install these now to the side, so it gives you some protection from the wind or you're out in the cold to install your tent in the yard. As you can see guys, now the tent is almost finished. Inside here looking pretty big, pretty spacious. As you can see guys, inside here. So what you're going to do now, we'll install this front piece right here, and that's how the tent looking so far. We have some window right here that can take in some light, some window over there as well that can take in some light. Pretty neat. So we're just gonna install this front part there right now. As you can see guys, we have now installed each section right here. Just gonna go inside, show you how spacious inside look. As you can see, really spacious and wide. So we have button down, so this protector from the wind, anything like that. So inside is really neat. Great tent for camping. This is a great canopy tent, as you can see right here, right around this section. Looking pretty neat guys. Love the build quality of this right here. Now what else I'm going to show you guys, we have some more things that come inside the package. So these are some things that we can use to strap down our tent. Okay guys, so basically also in the package we have some strap right here which can basically protect your tent from blowing away in those high wind. So right here we have these straps, and these are the peg that basically can go on dirt surface. So anywhere around the yard, if you want to install your tent, you can use these to basically peg them down. So you can see these strap right here, we can peg them, each of these right here with our peg. And in this side we have a lot of them that come inside right here, as you can see, and we have different sizes. So we have 4 of these and also 4 of these one, so we can basically use to peg down our tent. So because I'm installing this now on the concrete surface, we can peg it on our concrete surface. So what we can use also is these cards right here. So we can basically tie them up here. We can tie it anywhere that we want to basically put it to prevent it from blowing away in those high wind. And the safety is most important part of when you're installing these tents. So we have a lot of cards right here that we can use to do that. So we can tie it anywhere we want. Also guys, we can use these sandbags, basically put some sand in these, and we can put them on our foot right here, which give it some extra layer of protection in terms of we get those heavy wind. I don't want the tent to blow away, so we can put them on here. So we can put our sand inside and we'll strap them on our foot right here. So in case when you're on the beach and you want to, give your tent a layer of protection, you can put some bit of sand in these, give it also protection. You can tie it as well. So those heavy wind on the beach, if you're using a tent on the beach, don't blow it away, which is something that you guys should consider whenever you're installing these tents. This is the tent guys, as you can see. Just a walk around, show you guys basically how it look. Now we can go inside by pulling this zip right here, and this zip is a two-way zip, as you can see. Then we can go inside, quite wide and spacious. You can see right here, very nice. So you can see this is a 10 by 10 canopy tent, great, ideal for camping. So you can see right here, looking great. Installation is very easy, and this is something that you guys should have. Also, we have our carrying case right here, very portable, as you can see, nice to carry. So hope you guys find this very helpful. Thank you guys for watching.